So this tool will be used to analysis for specific portion of the territories about the land degradation according to, for example, land use, different land uses or different part of the territory, and will be very useful to have statistics and analysis specific for understand which were the processes that bring to this final land degradation, or at the contrary, land improvement. I am Piero Manna. I am a researcher at the National Research Council in Italy, which is called CNR, and I am pedologist. In the last 20 years, I worked on my topic, that is the soil at the center of the ecosystem.
Its Earth critical zone can be used in my organization because ISPRA is called to respond to many international conventions like biodiversity, like the accounting for climate regulation, for example. My name is Marco Di Leginio, and I work at ISPRA. ISPRA is the National Institute for Environmental Protection and Research, and it forms, together with the regional agency, the National System for Environmental Protection at the national level. And my field of interest mostly concern land use change, land cover, and most in particular, the dynamics of land consumption and land transformations. So also including also the process of land degradation. As ISPRA and as SNPA, national system, we publish each year a report on soil consumption with a particular paragraph dedicated to the process of land degradation at the national level.
When the tool will be finally implemented in the land support platform, it will be used in official way, for example, for regional technicians, which will be informed about how, when, and where land degradation occurred in specific part of the region of the territory. And for example, is the official institution, ISPRA is the official institution which every year produce a report at the national scale, a report about land degradation over the last 15 years, for example. So this kind of tool with its flexibility will be for sure useful for ISPRA to have different kind of an analysis.
Policymaker can use the Earth critical zone tool to develop sustainable land management policies based on integrated data. For example, this tool can help to identify critical areas or, for example, could identify suitable sites for photovoltaic power station. So you can choose land already degraded or potentially degraded.
Policymakers, but not only policymakers, also researchers, but I think also citizens will be able to use this kind of tool. So I think that this kind of tool, very flexible, very easy to be used, are the future, and the only way to bring together scientific approach and the policy rules and policy vision